बस मैडम बस मैडम
दीपिका लेफ्ट से दीपिका लेफ्ट लेफ्ट
लेफ्ट में देखो
दीपिका लेफ्ट
सुना दूंगा मैं। अरे
निकिता निकिता पीछे अरे फ्रेम में पूरा
मैम राइट में आपके मैम राइट साइड यो मैम ये राइट साइड मैम ये मैम को छोड़िए दीपिका मैम यहाँ पे राइट में हॉलीवुड लोग
अरे कौन आगे
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट दो एक मैम सामने एकदम
दीपिका मैम यहाँ
मैम राइट
दीपिका मैम यहाँ
सामने देखिए नहीं रुको एक मिनट मैडम सामने नहीं
कितना सेफ
दीपिका जी
यहाँ पे
थोड़ा पीछे
मैम सामने एकदम मैम ने सुन ये मैम
दीपिका जी ऊपर ऊपर
चलो पूरा फोटोशूट हो गया थैंक यू हाँ सो क्वाइट एवरीवन व्हाट हैपेंड टायर्ड
Happy evening to you. You look towering, you look strong, you look powerful.
Thank you. Yeah. Done? Thank you.
We start by congratulating you like for completing 9 years officially, like with the release of your film, Shanti. Many congratulations for that.
Thank you.
So, any words for it? Like how does it feel?
It feels amazing. I don't feel like I've completed 9 years. Like I always say, I feel like I've just started off. And I feel like I have a lot more to give. I feel like I'm ready for even more challenging roles and even more challenging films. And I'm excited about one of those experiences because Padmavati is going to be extremely difficult. And but I'm ready. I think I'm ready for that experience and for that journey.
Now you are part of the international red carpets, now walking the red carpet here, MTV, and now here. Do you find any difference or like?
It's exactly the same. It's always fun to dress up and to get ready and then to interact with the media and interact with your fans who are on the red carpet. It's always fun.
वहाँ पे कैसा रहा?
कहाँ पे?
अब
जो आपने देखा वही. It was great fun. I love music and it was amazing to watch some of these artists perform live. I think as an actor to just watch some amazing performances, I think I've really learned a lot.
दीपिका जी वो ईरान में हमने आपको शूट करते हुए मुंबई में we saw you shoot for मजीद
No, you say. You say. नहीं, आप क्या बोल रहे थे आप बताओ.
वो मजीद का जो हमने देखा
कौन?
the film that you were shooting.
No, he was asking the question. He should ask properly.
Please, if you could just answer.
तो वो
नाम तो याद कर लो ठीक से.
मतलब क्या फिल्म है या क्या कुछ अगर आप बताना चाहें
You'll know soon.
दीपिका आज की सेरेमनी के बारे में बताएंगे A Legacy of Lux.
Yes.
And we saw the ad in which you are taking the baton forward. हाँ तो उसके बारे में शर्मिला जी ने स्टार्ट किया. She was the first and now the ad. उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
I think it was definitely an iconic moment for me because Sharmila ji, of course, but I've grown up watching Madhuri ji and Sridevi ji, and to share screen space with them and to be named in the same league and category as them, I think for me was a huge honor. Like I said, it's only been 9 years and I feel like I have a long way to go. But it was a huge honor, and most importantly, all four of us had a lot of fun when we were shooting. We were all very happy that we were all getting to work together. And this evening again, I'm going to meet everyone.
Mr. Shahrukh Khan है part इसके लक्ष्य के जो because ज़्यादा male stars कभी हुए ही नहीं है. Mr. Shahrukh Khan is the only one who is part of the Lux. How you see it like? Is it
I don't know if I can comment on that because I don't know in what capacity he's associated with the brand, so I can't comment on that.
He's a brand ambassador and he's presenting the awards.
I wouldn't know that, but he is definitely hosting the evening along with Karan and a lot of amazing performances. But that's all I know.
Deepika, मेरी colleague, since this is a tribute to women of Bollywood, कई women हैं जो acid attacks के victims रहे हैं, तो उनके लिए and they have come out strongly and bravely. Any words for would you like to express for them?
Yes, but having said that, I don't think it should be discussed in such a frivolous manner. I think there is a time and place for everything. When we comment on certain things, I think there is a time and place for everything. Having said that, I've interacted and met a lot of them in the past, and I have a lot of love and respect for them.
दीपिका, गवर्नमेंट ने जो 500,000 की नोट बंद किया, क्या वो गवर्नमेंट का सही डिसीजन है? आपको क्या लगता है?
Absolutely, I think it was high time, and I won't comment too much on it, but I think it was an exceptional move by the government and by the minister, and I would like to congratulate them on that.
Deepika, one last question
Thank you.
about your next film. We've heard that you are having India premiere for Triple X. So will we see Vin and the other cast come to India?
Hopefully. I've spoken to them a lot about India. They all know a lot about India, and obviously I want to, most importantly, the amazing experience that I had while filming this movie, I want to share that experience with everyone. And yeah, so I will, hopefully, all of them will be here.
One last, Om Shantyam will be made in Japanese now?
It's going to be a Japanese play, if I'm not mistaken. It's not going to be. I mean, I'm sure they've already translated the movie, or maybe it's already been made in Japanese. I'm not sure. But Farah called me the other day, and she said they're making it a play, and they all loved Shanti Priya, and the premiere of that is going to be in July next year. And most probably Farah and I will be going together for that.
Thank you so much for present TV. We are following sort of image of a flying fish. If you feel comfortable for the camera.
For you. Thank you. यहाँ Thank you. Thank you.
A very happy evening to you.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine. Feeling very nice. Happy to be here.
We also want to have all the wishes for you and happiness.
He started.
You are glowing.
Thank you.
What are you expecting from tonight? You have been part of just tell us about it.
Well, I think they are felicitating all the Lux ladies and इतने सालों का association रहा है Lux के साथ. I think the greatest thing is that my mother was also a brand ambassador for Lux, my sister also and me also, and my mother-in-law. So I think the whole family has been part of the Lux family, and that's why I think I've made this effort to be here tonight.
Red represent the legacy of Lux.
Well, I think Lux has a lot of colors, red, pink. But yeah, I think everybody will be in red and pink tonight.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan has been the only actor, the male actor who has been part of the brand which is
Yeah.
associated with women and ads which have been made on women. Shana Khan.
Well, I think girls, women, aunties, they all love Shah Rukh. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador for Lux. और मैंने भी एक ad किया था एक bathtub में जब शाह रुख bathtub में थे and we were all around him. So I think he's the perfect brand ambassador.
करीन और कोई पूछ रहा है मैं पूछूं?
नहीं, आप किसी को पूछने नहीं देते हो.
करीना एज एन एक्टर कितना मायने रखता है?
I think पिक्चर की सक्सेस, एक अच्छी कहानी और रिवॉर्ड्स मायने रखते हैं.
जिस तरह से जो बदलाव हुआ है इकोनॉमिक 1500 के नोट जो बंद किए गए हैं और एक अलग तरह से कुछ परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है.
मेरे पास सिर्फ 2000 के नोट है, 500 और 1000 नहीं. I think it's a great step.
आज का अवार्ड के ऊपर है तो आपकी ड्यूटी क्या है?
I think Lux का अवार्ड है तो definitely beauty, skin, all this बहुत important है and it's one of the leading brands in India. So I think that it's going to be, all the beautiful women will be on stage.
करीना क्योंकि
बोलो.
महिलाओं की बात हो रही है, क्योंकि लड़कियों की बात हो रही है. बहुत सी ऐसी महिलाएं, ऐसी लड़की हैं जिनपे एसिड अटैक हुआ, उसके बाद वो लड़के सामने आई हैं, फाइटर निकली हैं. उन महिलाओं को जिन्होंने इतनी ताकत, इतनी शक्ति दिखाई, उनके लिए क्या कहना है?
नहीं, आई थिंक जो शक्ति महिला में है, विमेन में है, आई थिंक वो किसी चीज़ में नहीं है. इसलिए मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि हम भगवान को भी माता ही कह के बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि लड़कियों में ही ऐसी शक्ति है. एक दूसरे जन्म, जो हम दूसरे सोल को भी जन्म देते हैं, आई थिंक वो एक औरत ही है. तो देयर इज़ नो वन स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ वुमन. कहाँ 19 की बात होगी अभी क्या? आई डोंट नो अबाउट ग्लोबल सिटीजन. हाँ,
और एक लास्ट दिसंबर नहीं दिसंबर के फर्स्ट वीक में इंडिया
Darling, you were absolutely fabulous. I sent you a message also. I sent you a message. You finished. Hey, I was in Chamak. Chamak was very happy. I feel He was telling me it was super. We were all sitting and clapping for him.
Every time I look at me, that's not laughing because I'm so happy.
I'm going to get to Monday. We'll work that out. Don't worry. We'll work. Take it, darling. And I told him go to New York.
Love you. Hi, sorry. Good evening. Thank you very much. Yes. Well, as you know, it's the Lux Awards, which is all about celebrating womanhood, and Shamak Dawar did the act, so we had a lot of fun. We did Kala Chashma, and we did it Shamak Dawar style. But it really is a wonderful evening, and I think it's a great thing that Lux is doing to kind of specifically pick out the memorable characters that women have done this year and award people for it. And it was wonderfully hosted by Shah Rukh and Karan.
There has been a legacy like starting from Mrs. Sharmila Tagore, who was the first brand ambassador and going on. How do you see it like who has been the most impactful women as far as cinema goes?
I think everyone has in their own unique way, and everyone, all the women you mentioned who have been associated with Lux have always been very unique in their own way and have always stood for something very particular and beautiful, which is why I think Lux has always chosen these women. And it was a wonderful night, and I think everyone has performed really well and everyone had a lot of fun.
As you told us, Shah Rukh Khan was also part of it.
Yes.
Remember that he had done an ad also. He's only made
Yes, we did an ad together for Lux.
any remembrance of that like bath, from the bath?
I guess, I don't know, I think it's a very unique concept. I think it's a hard concept to pull off, which I think only Shah Rukh can do, because I think he's got that flair and he's just very comfortable with women. So I think it was a really fun ad.
And then, like, thank you, like, these days we are getting to know more about you rather than being like totally unaware about your Facebook post and everything. How does it feel to be your...
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It's been only what, I think about 5 months that I've been on Facebook, and I'm really having a lot of fun. I think that was the thing that I realized when I finally came onto Facebook after so many years, that you can choose the moments that you want to share with the people who watch you and who follow your work and who see your films, and I've had a lot of fun so far.
The one thing which is everyone has noticed that it is very natural. It's not like the no makeup look and the parrot was there like there was a lot
That's a wooden parrot. Yeah, I mean, I think that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be an insight into the part of you which the audience or the people who watch your films do not get to see on screen. So it has to be different, and it has to be the personal moments and the unique moments.
one of my colleagues was asking, like, since this is part of tribute to women, there are many acid victims, survivors who have come strongly out of it. Would you like to express some words for them, especially like...
I think such women like that are, it's very hard to put it into words, because I think women like that are such an immense inspiration. I mean, so many of us, including myself, we get caught up in our little problems. We get caught up in our little world and our careers and what's going on in our life. And then when you sometimes come outside of that bubble which we live in, and which I think I know I live in the film industry, and you come outside and you see how many women actually are suffering out there in the world, like you're saying, women who are actually the victims of attacks, then you really know what suffering is, and then you know what strength of character is, and these are the women who I think deserve to be acknowledged, and that is true strength of character. And for me, these are the women that you learn from, and you learn to be grateful for what we have in our lives.
I just end this, but one question more. Like, we are all asking, like curious to know about the social, economic turbulence which has happened, the ups and downs in the last 2 days. Like, do you think it's a good step, or it has repercussions, or it is affecting the low people more?
I think tonight is about Lux, and as you said, I think you chose a wonderful topic to speak on, which was women who are victims of the attacks. So I think we'll leave it to that tonight, because I don't want to take away any of the attention from that. But thank you all for coming. Sorry about the wait.
Can I request for a ritual which you're following for flying kiss for the cameras? Every ladies who has come over here, they have given
Of course you can.
Yeah.
Is there a way to do this, or is it anyway? Anyway?
We count on 3.
Okay, 1, you count then, right? Okay.
You have to big smile, okay?
Big smile.
On the count of 3, we start. 1, 2, and 3.
One more? Bye, thank you.
Katrina.
Let them finish the dog.
Thank you.
Come. This way.
I'm just crossing and leaving.
Ma'am, your right side, both of your right side. Center. Ma'am, your right side. Ma'am, right side.
I'm going from here, okay?
मेरा कैमरा स्लो है मैडम, रुकिए. वापस आ. सामने देखिए. मैम ये मैम उसका जी एक मिनट मैडम. मैम ये मैम
तुम लोग कभी satisfied नहीं होगे. ये भी करना पड़ेगा.
Hi. Thank you. And to you too.
Many congratulations for your film.
Thank you.
It's passing the landmark in terms of box office collections. कुछ कहना चाहिए? What's your
ऑब्वियसली मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि जितना प्यार मुझे इस साल मिला है विद सुल्तान एंड एदिल, आई मीन आई रियली फील वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल. तो ये दौर चल रहा है और मैं इसको एंजॉय कर रही हूँ एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मुझे ये मौके मिल रहे हैं टू यू नो शो डिफरेंट फैसेट्स ऑफ मी एज एन एक्टर.
We are so happy to see you. मतलब आप पहले काफी दिनों बाद हमसे बातचीत करें. You saw that how the photographers were excited.
उनको तो मैं मिलती रहती हूँ एयरपोर्ट्स में फॉर एयरपोर्ट लुक्स.
पर हमारे साथ में बहुत दिनों बाद.
जी आप ही सवाल पूछे और कोई नहीं पूछेगा.
How was the reaction of Karan?
Hello, hi, how are you? Hello, hi, how are you? Okay, bye, Tata, thank you. नहीं मजाक करो यार, आप उनके साथ आप ही के लिए आया हूँ.
Very good, everybody is very good. And I will not talk for anybody, so you should ask them. जैसे मैंने बोला ये साल मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहा है. कितना चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग, क्या करूँ. तो बहुत स्पेशल रहा है बिकॉज सुल्तान और एदिल है मुश्किल दोनों फिल्में रिलीज़ हुई हैं मेरी और नॉट जस्ट दैट दोनों पिक्चरें सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल हुई हैं, बट मेरे कैरेक्टर और मेरी परफॉर्मेंस को बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद किया है. तो ऑब्वियसली हर एक्टर के लिए वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. तो इट्स गोइंग वेरी वेल, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है मेरा साथ. So I'm performing. So this will be my first performance of the year. So I'm quite excited. लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस करना बहुत मुश्किल लगता है बिकॉज यू वेरी स्कैर्ड की नर्वसनेस होती है परफॉर्म करने से पहले. बट जब यू नो आप स्टेज पे होते हो तो बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग भी होती है. सो या I'm happy. I'm looking forward to the performance and I hope everything goes well.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan is also he's co-star in your next film also and part of the ceremony also. Are you performing with him? Or?
No, it's a solo performance.
ओके, थैंक यू गाइस।
रिंग के बारे में भी अगर आपको
अभी बहुत टाइम है उसके लिए, तो बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में। थैंक
रोज की
यू।
बात हो रही है क्योंकि तो आपसे जानना चाहिए कि आपकी लाइफ का पहला रोज आपने दिया हो या आपको किसी ने जो कुछ याद है आपको ऐसे मेमोरी कुछ शेयर करना चाहे आप?
नहीं, याद ही नहीं आ रहा है।
Would you like to
ऐसा हो सकता है, मतलब सच्ची में याद नहीं आ रहा है। ऐसे कौन याद रखता है मेरा पहला रोज मुझे किसी ने दिया था? तो याद रखते हैं लोग? आज तो किसी ने नहीं दिया।
Anushka, how are you dealing with the recent decision of our PM, like, you know, 500?
I think I've tweeted and I've expressed my feelings on Twitter, and that's as much as I'd like to say on that. I think it's a very, very bold initiative, and as citizens, we all should take part and go through these immediate problems that we are facing right now, and in the long run and for the larger good of the nation, this is going to help us all. So let's all stick together and support this.
one of my colleagues wanted to ask, this is a tribute to women.
Where's your colleague?
पीछे है मतलब ये तो वो wanted to ask you कि like since it's a tribute to women, many women who have gone through some unpleasant experiences of acid attack victims, they have come strongly, more bravely. So any words from for them would you like to?
The thing about women is that बहुत एक inner strength होती है जो बहुत quiet strength होती है, and हर औरत and हर वो इंसान और वो आदमी जो ये चीज़ इन औरतों में देख सकता है, वो समझेगा कि वही एक्चुअली उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी होती है, सबसे खास बात होती है. बाहर से आप कैसे लगते हैं is not really important. It's how you are from inside, what kind of strength you hold as a woman that actually defines you. And I feel like if this is the way we are going right now, the way women are expressing themselves so openly, and how everybody is talking about working towards women empowerment and everything else, I think it's a very good time that we're living in, and I think we all should just work together towards making it a better country, because when everyone's happy and the women are doing well in the country, kids are doing well in the country, you'll be a successful economical nation.
Thank you so much. We are hoping you get lots of awards.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.